technology and IT, that's the magic. Enhanced digital factories. Industry 4.0 is all about making manufacturing more flexible. You can only do that if you have technology backing that up to make it super simple, but to operate and automate the operation of the factory.
From a factory standpoint, you want to have the best quality product on the shelf. And one way to do that is being able to trace how that is delivered to market. Using blockchain and IoT sensors, all parties within that supply chain now have visibility into each other's actions. Our blended value is our domain expertise in manufacturing with Microsoft's domain expertise in technology.
The whole artificial intelligence explosion is amazing. So in this case, we have forklifts going through and being trained in virtual reality.
For each factory, each assembly line and each machine, you create digital twins. It's the table stakes.
So here we have the actual physical drone. It's actually seeing people or signs, and it's able to recognize that through artificial intelligence. This is the AirSim product, and it allows you to do basically virtual reality training for the drones and their movement throughout the warehouse.
If you're a factory operator, you want to increase your efficiencies, you can now do that on a worldwide basis, not just per factory.
Crazy cool, I think, is the best technical term I can come up with.
A lot of our customers are going through big digital transformations, and we want to be on the leading edge of that, and that's why we've chosen to partner with Microsoft.
The key is to get started now. Don't wait.